First rates, SEBI considering, let's move to markets please. First rates will just come up on your screen, and the first rates, I'm just going to wait for my wall to get updated. It is expected to be a gap up start, and it is a mild gap up start. The breadth was expected to be positive, and the breadth is meaningfully positive. 1500 advance to decline. This is a near perfect kind of a market breadth, what you see at the top of a bull market. Honasa block deal of 10%. That's a sizable block deal in a stock like Honasa if it goes through. You want to then look at Tata Motors and then oil sensitives, both companies which will benefit and companies where the real impact, psychological impact kicks in. So Tata Motors is flat, HPCL, BPCL, paint companies, airline companies, that becomes this big moving part, so to speak. And talk about market mood, I would always look at 3 stocks to judge the market move: Vodafone, Suzlon, and then what is happening to Yes Bank. Let's look at those 3 stocks.
Okay, seems that 5.5% block has happened in Honasa already, 5% lower for that stock. Bajaj Auto, Hero MotoCorp, cabinet approval for the 10,900 crore rupee PME drive scheme for E2-wheelers, 3-wheelers, buses, TVS Motors, Ola Electric. This entire chunk is actually holding up quite smartly, a buzz in trade as we speak right now. There's of course Tata Steel as well. We told you in the morning today that they've signed that $500 million grant funding agreement with UK for the green steel at Port Talbot. So look out for Tata Steel, a big gap up, 152 points higher for Tata Steel as we speak. For the Nifty, of course, yesterday's damage seems undone, 0.5% higher, and the breadth as well has opened quite nicely in trade. There's Shyam Metallics as well. They're targeting 3x revenues by 2029. So that's the other stock which is going to be in focus. Brigade, which has announced the launch of its premium flexible and managed workspace solutions. And Adani Ports, which is looking to develop multi-purpose berth at Gujarat's Kandla Airport. So that's the other stock which is going to be in focus, 1.25% higher for Adani Ports as we speak. What about Tata Motors? Has the fall stalled there? That stock will just come up for you on your screens as well. Tata Motors, flat right now, but early days. Let's see what direction the stock actually takes from here. But Kunal, we've gotten back to where we started off yesterday, but you're still reading signs of volatility, right, in the days to come?
Yeah, seems like. And, so far it's been good for the indices that we've managed to fluctuate into a very narrow band. My expectation is that hopefully in the second half of the month of September, the band could probably extend for both the indices Nifty as well as for the Bank Nifty. Now, in terms of an outperforming trade, ICICI Bank is something which has managed to stand very strong in terms of the outperformance. Looks attractive at current levels of 1230.
Okay. Naresh, would you concur the fact that we're in a tight range is fairly heartening, and what would be the first trade that you'd punch in?
So the range continues. The traders consumer, which is where Hebels has broken out, so would expect a follow-up move going forward on that one.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.